Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Shanta Sayem. Today we are going to cook chicken curry or Bengali style of chicken. I marinated the chicken before. I will write everything in the description box with details, all the ingredients and everything. Now let's go to the process of making the chicken. So I put some oils into the pan for heating, and then I cut some tomatoes. I chopped some onions, 2 to 3 onion there, and then coriander leaves, and I chopped some garlics and green chilies as well. So I put 2 to 3 spoon of chopped onions into the oil to fry them until it gets golden brown, and I added 1 spoon of garlic. There was around 2 to 3 chopped garlic. Then I added some 5 to 6 green chilies and 2 slices of tomatoes. I really like tomatoes. After frying these, I added biryani masala. You will be surprised or shocked to see that why am I using biryani masalas into my chicken, because trust me, it is very nice if you can use biryani masalas. If you had at your home, any kind of biryani masala will work over here. Biryani masalas has a lot of different masalas into there, and it will give a nice aroma to your chicken, and it will give really nice flavors. So that's why I like to use biryani masalas into my chicken, but not that much, a little bit. And then I added some salt according to the portion of the chicken. So here I'm using 2 kg of chickens, 2 kilograms of chicken you can say, and I'm just adding the marinated chicken into the frying masalas. Now I'll just fry the chicken with the masalas for 5 to 6 minutes. I'll not add any water at this moment, because I want the chicken and the masalas to fry together and to have everything, to have the flavors and everything. So no water needed to be added at this moment. You can leave your chicken like this for 5 to 6 minutes in the low to medium heat, not a high heat yet. Then I added 1 glass of water, and I just turned the heat a little high than medium, and I leave my chicken for another 5 to 6 minutes in the high heat. Then I added some tomatoes in my chicken, because I really like tomatoes and it gives a nice flavor to the curry. And if I like thicker curry, than the lighter curry, so I like thick curry, so that's why I added some tomatoes. You can skip this if you do not like tomatoes, or you can just simply have more tomatoes if you like. Then it's time to add full cream milk. I like to use full cream milk because it gives a nice thickness to the chicken curry, and it's very rich, so your chicken curry has nice look. You can see the look is very nice because of the milk. It has a nice flavor, and it gets really rich. So now it's time to lower the heat and just leave your chicken into the pan for 3 to 5 minutes. It's okay, but if your chicken is not fully cooked, then you need to check it in between. But for my chicken now, 3 to 5 minutes is enough for the low heat. So now it's time to serve the chicken. I like to serve it with some freshly cooked rice. You can serve it with any kind of breads like parathas or rotis. If you like to have it with rotis, it's okay, but I like to have my chicken with some freshly cooked rice. And see how beautiful the flavors, how beautiful the curry looks. The chicken looks very rich, very nice color it has now. also I like to have my chicken with some freshly chopped cucumber, and I take some green chilies and tomatoes. So if you do not have all of those things at your home, it's fine, but if you have fresh vegetables, just have a slice of them with your chicken and it will taste amazing. See, the chicken is very well cooked, because you can see that how easily the pieces are coming off from the chicken. It is so tender, the texture is amazing there, and it tastes amazing. So if you try this at your home, please let me know how it was, and I'll upload more cooking videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.